Welcome to ABC Medicine Gorakhpur. CNF for Mankind Pharma Limited and Lifestar Pharma Private Limited. Last year turnover 123 crore. Office space 5,000 square feet and godown space 55,000 square feet. Division handling Mankind, Discovery, Future, Special, Wet Mankind, Lifestar and Lifestar 2. We have a primary office located at Tara Mandal is in 5,000 square feet. Security guards are working for 24 hours and also maintained in ward register for check-in and check-out. We have a waiting area approximate 300 square feet. We have a biometric end system for our staff. Billing room. Our recourses on billing and other computerized works as for Mankind group of divisions included 10 computer systems. Dot matrix, printer, laser printer, fax line, UPS and 4 Mbps BSNL broadband connection. Meeting hall. We have 3 meeting halls for field force. Notice boards. We have fixed the notice board for place the notification of bonus offer and product launches. CCTV. We have fixed 16 camera in around the building. Godown space 55,000 square feet. This building with 2 floors with total area 55,000 square feet is under the divisions of Mankind, Discovery, Future Special, Wet and Lifestar. In this godown, all the cartons are placed properly on plastic pallets and the maximum heights are storing the cartons at 7 feet is mentioned through red marking. We are stored the goods division wise and use the hand trolley for movements of goods. Breakage and expiry area. A 1,350 square feet hall is allocated separately for the expiry and goods in our premises. Every expiry and damage return are double checked and billed on the same day or next day, which gets adjusted in the following bills. Checked expiry and damaged goods are packed and packing. The copy of credit note inside the packing and arranged the first every week of the month they are sent to Meerut. Cold room. Cold room are set up at all the divisions in a square foot of 1,500 for maintaining below 25 degrees Celsius and product list is placed for reference. gift room is been allocated only to store. The gift is specially for the special mankind. Loading and unloading area. We have 3 gates for loading and unloading. We use 1 for loading and 2 for unloading. Pressure hand pallets. We use hydraulic machine for movement of goods and cartons. Dispatch area. We have 4 own vehicles for local and transport delivery. Parking space. We have 10,000 square feet open area for parking space. Our staff. We have a dedicated team of 45 members for smooth business operations.